Hey Skater Dude Squad, I'm going to do a video what to bring to your airsoft field. So, this is one of the things you can bring. Tactical vest, this is my new one. There's magazine pouches, and that's my patch. And what else to bring? This is my backpack. You should definitely bring a hat. Maybe some fingerless gloves if you want to like feel things and stuff. And neck protection. You can put it around your neck like that. Bandana. Red rag identifies that you're hit, so you're out. And definitely some goggles, full field eye protection, those are good. And some of you might know what this is. This is a speed loader, has the ammunition in there. See those little white balls? Those are what you put in the guns, like something like this, or an electric gun, anything. So you should bring bottles like these to the field, like these. These are good ones, Elite Force. And if you get a rental gun at your place, if that's available, you should get more magazines, like this one. This one is for my pistol. I put it in my vest. And move on to more stuff. This is a sling. The sling is to put in your neck, and you attach it to your gun. And the next things are optional. You can bring a hoodie or something, but this is my helmet and camo stuff. Bring layers, cause you bring layers so if you have bad weather, you'll get soaked and stuff. So yeah, this is my helmet. I put a patch on it. United States. You put a GoPro on the front. But that is optional. You can bring camo or not. But this last thing is the most important thing. If you get injured, first aid kit. Yeah. And this is also optional. A knife. So yeah guys, subscribe and leave a like and comment down below if you want to see any more airsoft videos. Bye!